Learning English speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
Title: Weathering Life's Storms. Once upon a time in a small coastal town, there lived a woman named Sarah. Her life was a series of storms, each one testing her resilience and determination. Act 1: The Tempestuous Childhood. Sarah's early years were marked by turbulence. She grew up in a broken home, where her parents constantly argued. The storms of their arguments echoed through the house, leaving a deep emotional scar on young Sarah. But she found solace in books and nature, learning to weather the emotional storms by losing herself in stories and the soothing sound of the ocean. Act 2: The Hurricane of Heartbreak. In her late teens, Sarah fell in love with a charming young man named David. Their love was passionate and intense, but it was also tumultuous. When David left for college in a distant city, their relationship was put to the test. The storm of long-distance love strained their bond, and eventually, they broke up. Sarah's heart was shattered, but she picked up the pieces and vowed to become stronger. Act 3: The Twisting Tornado of Career Struggles. As Sarah entered the workforce, she faced numerous career setbacks. She dreamed of becoming a successful writer, but rejection letters filled her inbox. The storm of self-doubt raged within her, but she refused to give up. She took on odd jobs to make ends meet while honing her writing skills. Act 4: The Monsoon of Loss and Grief. Sarah's life took another tragic turn when her beloved grandmother, who had always been her pillar of strength, passed away. The grief felt like a never-ending monsoon, drowning her in sorrow. But she remembered her grandmother's wise words: "Storms may rage, but they always pass." Sarah found comfort in these words and decided to honor her grandmother's memory by pursuing her dream of writing more vigorously than ever before. Act 5: The Calm After the Storm. Years passed, and Sarah's determination finally paid off. She published her first novel, a story inspired by the storms of her life. It became a bestseller, and Sarah found herself basking in the calm after the storms. She had weathered all the challenges life had thrown at her, emerging stronger and wiser. Conclusion. Sarah's life has been a tumultuous journey through storms of all kinds. But through it all, she had learned that storms, no matter how fierce, were temporary. They might leave scars, but they could also forge strength and resilience. Sarah's story became an inspiration to many, a testament to the human spirit's ability to endure and thrive, even in the face of life's greatest tempests. And so, in the small coastal town where Sarah's story began, her life storms became legends, reminding everyone that they, too, could weather any storm that came their way.
For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.